Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am super excited to introduce you to a groundbreaking new AI-based platform from Google called Notebook LM. If you are a teacher looking for personalized assistance in creating documents like exam papers, projects and more, you are in for a treat. First thing first, let's log in with your Google ID to access the incredible features of Notebook LM. Trust me, it's super simple and user-friendly. Once you are logged in, you can start adding your sources. You can add up to 50 sources including PDFs, slides, documents, YouTube videos and even audio files like MP3s. So let's dive in. I will show you how to create an exam paper on the topic of the history of Spain. First, I'm adding an ebook related to Spain history, which has about 400 pages, perfect for comprehensive questions. And next, I am adding some Google Slides to enrich your content and then a relevant website for additional context. Finally, let's add a YouTube video to make the learning experience even more engaging. You can add as many resources as you need. Now, here comes the magic. I am going to give a prompt. Create an exam paper with 5 long response questions, 10 multiple choice questions with 3 options each and 5 fill in the blanks. Ready? Let's hit generate. Wow, look at that. The exam paper has been generated according to my specifications, and check this out, references are automatically included. This feature is fantastic, especially for writing research projects. But wait, there is more. You can create an audio overview of the content, which is perfect for classroom discussions. Let me play a sample for you.
Okay, so welcome to another deep dive, everybody. Today's topic.
Simply amazing. Isn't that cool? You can also create stunning mind maps, briefings, frequently asked questions, and study guides, all with just a few clicks. Let me show you how to create a mind map. So you can see here, with a simple click, you can generate an awesome mind map. Let's see briefings, study notes. You can also see the frequently asked questions. This all with just a few clicks. The results are simply unbelievable. I have tried this app in multiple ways and found it incredibly fruitful. I strongly encourage you to give it a try. So what do you think? I would love to hear your feedback. Please write your feedback in the comment section.
So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.